On the afternoon of the July 27, 2022, there was a sudden rainstorm in Luoyang, Henan Province, causing many roads have accumulated water and vehicles are flooded. Video taken by local residents showed the heavy rain caused water to accumulate at the entrance of the community, and the water cascaded down the stairs and poured into a supermarket on the ground floor of Junhewan Community in Luhe District. Sandbags are used as waterproof walls to block water. According to local media reports in Luoyang, some roads and tunnels in the urban area were seriously flooded, and the traffic police department has temporarily closed the relevant roads. In addition, some trains passing through Luoyang Station were delayed due to heavy rain. The city also suspends classes in business, and some subway station entrances are closed. Luoyang Meteorological Observatory of Henan Province issued a red rainstorm warning signal at 3:45 p.m. Some towns in Nanjing and Xayanan, the main urban areas of Luoyang City, have experienced heavy rainfall of more than 100 millimeters. At present, relevant departments are making every effort to organize flood relief and remind public to pay attention to safety.